Hi, I'm Dr. Neeraj Mehta. I'm an alumnus of MAMC Delhi and ISB Hyderabad. Regarding my application Synapse, this is essentially a mobile platform for healthcare providers. Before I present what the features are, I'd just like to categorize the various healthcare providers. Essentially, if you look at the healthcare market, about 20% of the market is controlled by the big hospitals, but the 80% of the market is actually occupied by smaller hospitals, smaller nursing homes, group practices, and single practices. Here, a lot of non-clinical functions like marketing, hiring, business deals, and all those things, they are pretty unorganized, and there is no process orientation, and it's in a fragmented market. Therefore, a doctor has to deal with a lot of different stakeholders to carry out these functions. Also, for a doctor who is running a business enterprise, 95% of his time actually goes to the clinical practice and the patient care. So only about 5% of time he is able to give to other functions, which includes all the listed ones which I listed above. Therefore, we want to occupy this space, this 5% space, where we will be giving multiple functions at the click of a button to these healthcare enterprises. So regarding the app, I'll just show you the app. We have already developed this platform, and this is launched this year, now being last year, and both are this application is available on both Android as well as iOS. So this is the application. This is called Synapse. So here the first function is of healthcare events. So essentially anybody can create a healthcare event like this within 2 minutes. This can be a CME, an exhibition, a conference, a training seminar, anything. So when you click this button, you can create a conference, and you can also choose the audience whom you want to market it to based on specialty and location. Once you create this, a notification automatically goes to all the people whom you have selected, and those people can then view the event and register for it online, like this. So all the brochures can be seen. Sorry, this is taking time. That is slow. I like this. So they can view the brochure, and then they can view all the details, including the map and all, the speakers, everything, and the packages, and then they can book the event for as many people as they want. The second vertical is of healthcare classifieds. Essentially, you can buy, sell, rent, lease any healthcare asset right from a hospital to a book. You can filter these by the various categories. This also has a very interesting function of tie-ups, where people can undertake tie-ups. For example, if they want to outsource something, enter into joint ventures, all these things can be undertaken here. They can also sell second-hand equipment here. The third vertical is of healthcare jobs. Here we have created a copyrighted healthcare classification system, whereby we guarantee 100% matching jobs in healthcare. Healthcare jobs are very, very specific, and existing portals do not cater to this specificity. Anybody can create a free job alert in a very, very specific manner. For example, if somebody is a medical oncologist and he wants a job as a senior consultant in Delhi, so he will create an alert for that. And whenever such a job is posted, he'll automatically get notified. Thus, we cater to demand-supply gap as well as to the very high specificity that healthcare industry demands. We also cater to healthcare publications, where we help doctors get published in journals. Especially, we help with data segregation, data analysis, and based on the data, what kind of topics can be published. Apart from this platform, we are also providing healthcare marketing services to healthcare organizations. Essentially, the key being that normally the people who do marketing do not understand healthcare, and vice versa. Therefore, we bring into both these expertise together and provide a very valuable service to the doctors. Going forward, we want to include more functions, which will include pure e-commerce and buying and selling all kind of healthcare equipment and consumables, like a marketplace. The differential factor here would be that it will be a consultative kind of a selling, where we will guide doctors as to what to buy based on their kind of practice, finances, and other considerations, and other clinical considerations. So we look forward to DIP supporting us, and giving us the tax benefits that we really want. I have already put about 2 years of my this thing into this, and really looking forward to it. Thank you very much.